Let's talk about using your OneDrive that's built into your account as a student or employee or staff member at Western. When you log into My Western, you're used to seeing these icons, and probably you go to email and Canvas the most of all. Maybe you go into Office, but if you don't, here's a really good reason why you should go into Office. So I'm going to click on the Office link here. And that takes you to the place where you would install Microsoft Office 365, which you guys no doubt have already done. This button is where you go to make that installation. These buttons are using the lightweight versions of our software, which is very helpful because if you're at a computer that doesn't have software installed, you can use the lightweight versions. But notice down below the documents, and I've got some documents that I've stored here in my OneDrive so I can get to them no matter where I'm at. And then scrolling down just a little bit more, you can see there's a OneDrive section, and if I go into, I'm going to click on Go to OneDrive. Then I've got folders, and I've got a bunch of files that I personally have just dropped in my OneDrive so I can work on them with other people or work on them elsewhere. For example, you can see that I've shared this first document with Lisa McClure, my colleague. All right, and it says on the sharing tab what way you have shared it, or if it's just private between you. Okay, so we're going to, in our case, following the steps that I've written for you in your directions, we're going to upload the file AT&T Top 5 Shared and your last name. So your first step was to open the Top 5 file, save it as, put your name in it, and then we're into the browser, 365 icon, and we're into the OneDrive section. So once you're in the OneDrive section, you go to you go to Upload, Files. Notice you could upload an entire folder, but we're going to upload Files. And then you're going to find your folder and find the Chapter 8 at Top 5 Shared Your Last Name file. Click on that one, open it. It puts it into your OneDrive list, and then once you have it loaded in there, point to it and you'll see a little icon in there about sharing. So I'm going to click the sharing icon here, and then you guys are going to send that to me. So type in LLEE at and then westernwyoming.edu, just like you guys do, and send that file to me, and notice that I will be able to edit it. And when I get those, I will make a comment or something on it and send it back to you, or it'll be saved in your folder. Okay, so those are the steps to using Western's OneDrive.